Alright guys, and welcome back. This is Crypto Bond. So on this channel I'll be showing you how you can make money by referral, how you can make money in crypto market. So on this episode I'll be showing you how you can make money through Bitget referral program, which pays you a lot, like it pays you over 25 USD. So if you refer a person, you get more than 25 USD, 50 USD, 100, 200, 300, 1,000 USD, 100, 1,200 USD. So just make sure you stay tuned to the video. So let's get to today's video so I can show you how you can make easy money for yourself. This is website. So you have to register with them, input your email, make sure you use my referral link or my referral code to sign up so you can get some bonus for yourself. So now let's get to this video. So after you get to the app, click on this three dash. So you see program, you see more. So no, you see more. So the more click, the more it should show you all these learn and exploit, institute, program. So after that, you are going for referral first. So click on learn and explore. So you see help center announce referral. So just click on the referral. That's how you can get your referral code and earn on the platform. Very easy to earn on the platform. Just invite friends and family to this platform and get paid easily to your dashboard. Okay, the first one, in fact, okay, this is it. Enjoy a 25% rebate. Complete two tasks to activate. Verify now, verify now. That's you verify your account. All you might reach a total trading volume of 5,000 USD in 30 days. So this is the main part we are going on this platform. Invite one friends to get prepared bot minimum value up to 1,500 USD. The second one is a million trading coin and join to win 20 USDT. Invite two friends and get 20 USDT in trading bonus while they get 5 USDT. So this is very amazing. You get 20 and your friend, the person you invite, get 5. So as I'm inviting you, I will get 20 and you yourself will get 5. That's why it's important for you to use my referral code. And how can you get your referral code? You'll be asking me. So switch down. So if you click on this invite now, so they will bring your referral code for you. Sign up now to receive a 6,200 USDT welcome gift. So just copy the referral code. This is my referral code, and you can click on copy link or click on download anyone you want. So that's how you can get a referral code on Bitget. So let's go to how you can earn more by just doing the same task. So we have to click this three dash again. Scroll down, click on the more, and click on the programs. You see affiliate, click on the affiliate. Affiliate is also the same as you referring people to the platform, but it's and when referral pay 25, affiliate pay maybe times 2 or more than. So this is how after you click the affiliate, as you can see, there's apply now, there's a lot, 90 referrals, 150 referrals, that's a lot. So this is why that's how you can start any on the platform. So after you click on the apply, they'll bring the next step for you, alias your user ID, input your user ID, proof of influence, submit or proof of like if you have any of this, so just click it, choose everything. If you have YouTube, fill in, link your profile, fill in number of followers, put the screenshot, the Telegram, your X, Facebook, anyone you have. If you have all, you can fill all. So after that, you click next and you input the necessary information on the platform and you become an affiliate. After you become an affiliate, you earn more than being just a referral to the program. So if you love watching the video, if you've gained something from the video, so make sure you subscribe, share to your friends and family to know more about the referral program and how they pay. So see you all in the next video. Peace out.